And what do you hope to accomplish in Parliament?
There is nothing I can complete alone. Parliament is teamwork. That's all.
So the army and the commander-in-chief, what is your promise to them?
We are here for two very important things. The well-being of our people and our national security interests. That is what we have.
Are you bringing the guns to Parliament?
We are bringing our guns, which we are using to talk, not the guns that make noise. Okay? We bring guns which we use, that everybody uses here in Parliament. Here we don't use guns that make noises in the bush. So, but it is great being here, and I feel so much energized to see this great building, because I know it is all about our effort that has made us, that has made everybody, including you, to be here. You are here because we are. And that without peace and security, we cannot be running around here. So I am so much happy, and I give glory to our Heavenly Father for all that is happening in our country. Because when you see all this, you feel very happy.
Have you come to be a listening post?
Much of the time we shall be listening. But when it comes to issues of national interest, we shall not keep quiet. That's what I want to assure you. We will not keep quiet. On issues of national interest.
Lastly, from you, you've been sanctioned by the US. You have sanctions by the US.
US.
What is your comment on this?
What is US? And what are sanctions in your language? In our language, in Teso, there is nothing called sanctions. I don't understand it. I don't know what it means. And I don't know America. I know Uganda. If they have something called that, to hell with them.
You're not interested in them?
I don't need them. I'll be here. I was born here. I'll die here. I'll be buried here.
I'm going to use your study Parliament to cleanse your tainted image in the public.
There is nothing like tainted image. I don't need it. There is nothing tainted to my image. Do you see it tainted? I don't. There is nothing like that. There is, even ICC set me free, said, you have no case to answer. So what are you talking about?
Who killed the 200 people?
Those who are criminals. I have not killed anybody innocent. Those who have, they deserved death. Anyway.
How did you come to that judgment that they deserved death?
Because I was on the ground and you are not on the ground. That's the problem.
But you're not a judge.
I know. I'm a judge of my own during my work. I understand. I understand what I do. I know what I do. And that's why I have no problems here. Uganda is peaceful because of my actions. And Kasese is very peaceful. They are doing very well. Do you hear any problems in Kasese again? All is quiet. All is quiet because of my judgment.
Thank you. Honorable, briefly, Parliament, some MPs have been debating that the army should leave Parliament. What is the role of UPDF here in Parliament? What are the key important things that you think the UPDF can address when they're in Parliament?
You know, the Chinese say, we do our things our own way. We do our things with our own characteristics. Uganda has its own history and real history. We have gone through all this. Our being here does not in any way stop the Parliament from carrying out its duties. It does not in any way infringe on the rights of parliamentarians. We are here because of our history, and we shall always be here. Those who don't want us here just hate us. There's nothing. It's just hatred. Tulabe nti ensi yaffe eri bulungi, tugenda bulungi, tukola bulungi. Ekikulu ebiyite kwatagana ensi yaffe ekikulu. Si ebintu bya fake. They call it individual. Yechichi
America bakunoni.
Tebanya kumfuna. Kubanga liwa na Uganda. Dinga ni waffe ate ina maka.
Tusinga kutegeera mukuduumira eri battlefield kutambula kudduka take cover wano bya legislation ogenda bikwasaganya otya?
Ojja kundaba ate kiki tujja kulabagana wano ku nyumba lino si kyekyo
Wazena mundu.
Emundu tewali emundu ekyali wali mbeera mpola nzena ki bayita ki olulimi kyokka ate n'engumi sisobola kukuba eyo simanyi ani agamba efaananyi kyange yedonesi wali omuntu muyoka nasobola kusema mwana wange okoze bubi ye Katonda yange si omuntu owulire omuntu tasobola tukamaga elwelo oli bubi kubanga tewali kontu nsi lino yagambye nti elwelo oli bubi okiwulire batu babiri kooti ne Katonda ate abaana fena tuli bakozi bubi tukola bubi all of us are sinners atogamba ki eyo sigimanyi omanyi ku lutalo ne Katonda ng'oleeta bulugezigezi ojja kukiraba okirabye balikoze ensobi mbale likuyi bayita ti prison mbale likukumera kyokka liwano tambula bulungi ate kyeki tewaliko tagambye lwelo wano koze bubi ne Katonda yambe elwelo genda maaso kata tute ku parliament genda obeereo okola omulimo yange ina mulimo yakola wano Katonda anzirite wano so Katonda gatagambye ati ndikoze bubi ate gwe oli yani kugamba elwelo okoze bubi ko tagambye ne ICC tagambye ati elwelo okoze bubi ate nasobola kugamba ati okoze bubi wano tewali muntu asobola kunsalira omusango wano tewali nakamu Katonda ne kooti ngolowooza elwelo ali bubi twala mu kooti olabe sinyize ate nyize ngwe onyize